Good day, everybody. We're here again to expose you to another episode of the guide to Autocad drawing. Today we're gonna do this. You got those three concentric circles, one full and the other one trimmed half. So once again, my name is Engineer. You skill for fishbone engineering is what we're trying to do now. It looks simple, but we're going to see how simple it's going to be for real. Let's go. Don't forget vertical, horizontal. Oh, I'm still on yellow. Or construction line, right click, vertical. Oh. Now I'm going to start with this rectangle in here. And that rectangle is what's the width of the rectangle? It's 4. And I think the length is it's going to be 10. But I'm going to offset 5 on both sides and now to show for them. Let me offset 2 up and down, yeah? 2 up, 2 down. So small. I need a lot of scale up there. 2 up, 2 down. Then I'm going to offset again to the left and right. What is that going to be? I'm going to offset 5, 5. So the zoom scale is so small, but don't worry. Offset 5 on both sides. 5 here, 5 here. Is that correct? Or is it 5? Yeah. That's a 5 on both sides. Then from here I can fillet with radius or for radius what? Got radius, fillet radius of 1. I'll go 1. But this does not seem like what I want to do. Fillet radius 1. Oh, I did not set the fillet radius there. I will go here. I'll go here. Oh, that means something is not correct here. What did I do here? Let's go back. What did I offset here? That is 4 here. Let's say 4, 2, 2. What did I do here? Let's restart this. Let's offset again. 2. Yeah. Then let's fillet radius 1. I'll go here. Yeah, I'll go here. No, what's happening there? Sorry, need to do some settings. We've got this stuff back to stage. Well, sorry, I had to do this just to make the drawings for my view and your view as well. I have a vertical, I have a horizontal. So this being this here, this is what I just produced. Then from that point, this vertical line, I'll set 7.8 to give me the vertical line of this intersection, vertical side of the intersection offset. What did I say? It's going to be 7.8. 7.8 this side, 7.8, 4.8 to this side, 1.8 to that side. Then what's going to be the length that's going to be the horizontal section of the this thing? I will now offset from there 4.8 up, 4.8 down. So you're going to coincide with this. So I'll also go do the same 7.8 the other side too. So let me offset 7.8 to this side as well. I'll now offset what? 4.8 up and down. 4.8 up, down. So this is going to be on from the center of the two circles here and here. And let's go. And what will be the radius of those circles? Go back to the drawing. You must always look at your drawing. The radius of the first circle, biggest circle, is 1.4. The other one is 1. Let's go. One is 1. Oh God, that's not the center. It's not picking the center. One is 1 and 1.4. 1.4. Is that what it is? Let's go back to check. 1.4. Good, correct. 1 and 1.4. You can just copy from here. Window the objects, copy, be sure of the center. That's that. Then what the next thing to do is to say what happened here. I need to get a distance, an offset from here, offset of 1 down, offset of 1 up. That's the next thing to do. Offset of 1 from here, offset 1. I'll put this half and then them done with them. So if this is this, what do I do next? Let's go to check the drawing. You must be constant. You must go back to drawing each time. So yeah. Now what do I do? I need to get this guy is of radius 1, radius 2 here and here. So between here and here, something must happen. I need a line that's going to take me here. But what have I done here? What will I do? Yeah, having drawn the offsets here, I need to make a fillet here from which to do a tangential line to from here to the fillet. So I go here. 1. So your auto must be on to have a perfect orthogonal lines. 1, enter, 1, enter. Let's fillet by radius 1. I got radius 1 here already. Radius 1 here already. Then I'll go here, fillet. Yeah, I can decide to say, okay, I want to do the same thing here. For here, I go. What am I going to do here? The same thing I'm going to do here. The opposite direction. Go 1 here. 1 here. I'll go 1 here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fillet 1. Yeah, I'm going to get it. I'm going to use that to get here. Then I'm going to use this to, oh, this is the fillet of 3. This is fillet of 3, so it's not going to be 1. Then over 3, 3. Over here 3. I'll go here 3. Right, so we go 3. Let's see if what's gonna happen here. No, this is not what I want to achieve. No, I need to pause here. I'll go here, I'll click line, I'll say TAN, tangential, click on tangential line here. TAN is in, click tangential line here, and as well, and that line here. So this is creating that line there. Oh God, I'm gonna repeat this. I got a line here. I say tangential. Click line, then click tan. Before I click a point of tangential on the circle, I click tan again. I type tan again. I say enter. I got tangential here. That's give me this. That gives me this. I'll go the other side and do the same thing. I'll go trim. I'm not gonna do that. So I'll go 1 1 like I did for the other one. 1. So I'll offset. I'll fill it 1 1. What will not happen? I'll go line from here. Let's go again and see what we're looking at. This guy is not saying 1. Oh, this guy is not going to be 1 1. It's going to be 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah, 3. So is that going to do? So this fillet is 3. Yeah. So let's see what happens if I say from here I do 3. This 3 is a bit long. 3. I'll go up by 3. You're gonna give me what I was looking for? No. No. What I'm just going to do is to fillet and say 3. Okay, radius 3. I'll just click here. Click here. I got it. So I say fillet with same radius 3. I go here. I go here. I got that. See, I can decide to mirror this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to say, like I did here, I'm going to say 1. I'm going to say 1. I'll fillet that 1, right? What happened? Why is it not going? Let's fillet this goes 1 1 1. Did you say 1 1? Let's check again. And then here is fillet this for 1. This is 2 by 1 here. Oh, 2 by radius 2. So this fillet is radius 2. Radius 2. Go 2. Go 2. Of radius 2. Maybe I made a mistake. Oh, I did not change the fillet in radius anyway. So I now go to line. I say tangential. Click a point on the tangential to this. I would say tan again. I'll say tan again. Oh no, it's a TN. Enter. You can find another side. We'll go from tangential to that. But I can see that this circle, this side is not as curved as I want it to be. So I need to check something here. Maybe that fillet needs to be readjusted. This is not just curve. The curvature here is not similar to that. So I'll go here, see, click here, click here. So the curve has been rectified, and this is what we'll do. We'll trim to make a drawing better and look exactly the way it's presented to us, you know. And I think we got there with this. Got the drawing exactly the way it's given to us. Let's scale it up to do visual comparison. Let's say 10 to this. It's too small. Let's say 20. Click, right click. 20. Even with the scale of 20, it's still not accepting from us. Want to go 50? That's too much. Let's go 25. I like this. I enjoy this. Let's 1.5 of this. Scale 0.5. So with this, you can easily see the drawing looking exactly the way it's presented to us. This is something that is so easy for us to do, but there's something we've not done here. We've not trimmed this. So let's go back to trim. Oh God, what's happening here? Maybe something is not touching well. Look, this guy is not touching this very well. And this guy is not touching very well. Why it has to touch it? Why are you not touching your brother? So let's see if it's going to trim. No, it's not going to trim. And this is one of the very trickish way. You need to be very careful when you're doing this drawing. You can be sweating under a well-reviewed environment if you didn't know cut it very well. So I'll go here. I'll go back and say fillet. Right click fillet. All the radius here, I think it's 3. I'll go here. What's happening? Let's find out what happened. What is that thing that makes it not fillet? Is this guy? Let's go fillet 3. Let's go again. Let's just stretch this to this point. And let's see fillet. Radius 3. So why is this one not filleting? What happened? What happened? So this is no, it's nothing to another way to solve this, but why is that happening? I don't know. It's kind of tricky sometimes. I don't know what's happening here. Why is this guy not trimming? Why do not feel it? It's gonna be sugar. Open. Offset is 1. You offset 1 from here. Oh, I remember, because we have We have scaled the drawing up. So it's not going to give us the status quo. Now I remember. Oh God. Is it? Yeah, you trim it. Sorry. Okay. So I don't see why we were not able to, because we scaled it up by like 100 and something. So we couldn't trim at that tree at that point. That's the complexity. Yeah, oh God. Okay. So scale it up. Let's compare. Excuse me. I'm moving. Now this is how it is. So we're drawing exactly the way. Oh God. What happened? So what do we do together is vertical line, horizontal line, offset, 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 fillet, fillet, fillet. You do that, you offset from here, offset 4.8. You offset 4.8 down, 4.8 up, 7.8 left, 7.8 right. You got this, you fillet, you take a line, tangent, a line, tangent, click here, a tangent, click here. You know, you must have done a fillet here, a fillet of let's say okay 2 2 from here 2 2 fillet. So from the filleted portions here, a line tangential to this, a line tangential to it, you got that, a line tangential to it, line tangential to it. No, there too, this line that you have here and the circles here, you do a fillet of radius 3, give you this fillet of radius, give you 3, and with that you'll be able to get the drawing and do your trimming here for the circles here, you trim for the circle here, and that's what gives you this. If you've enjoyed this, we can do much more at Fisherman Engineering. We're a partner in AutoCAD training, AutoCAD updates, or digitalization of your various drawings. You can talk to us, you can train your professionals in your companies, in your schools, in your community. You can engage your engineering students, your science students, your technical students. You can reach out to us on 0816 7939582. So my name remains Engineer Iskill, and I'm training on behalf of Fisherman, where I am a manager partner. See you when you call us. Thank you for listening.